From the Cruise Radio studio in Jacksonville, Florida, this is Cruise News Today with Doug Parker.
Good morning. Here's your cruise news for Wednesday, June 22nd. For a short time, one Carnival Corporation brand is lifting pre-cruise testing for one cruise ship in Europe. P&O Cruises Iona has lifted the requirement for 5 round-trip cruises out of Southampton, effectively running a trial to see how these sailings will go without testing in place. These voyages embark between June 25th and July 23rd, and they all have the same itinerary over to Norway. Testing has only been lifted for vaccinated guests, which include all passengers 12 and older. Unvaccinated kids will still need to submit a negative test to sail. There hasn't been any news if this will move to the U.S. Earlier this month, though, Viking Cruises lifted its pre-cruise and onboard testing for all of its ships, except the 2 that are based here in the U.S. And rolling from one ship to another, the antique car that could be found outside the Rolls Royce Cafe on Carnival Ecstasy will soon have a new home. During a turnaround day in Mobile, Alabama last week, Carnival removed the 1934 Rolls Royce from the ship. It's now being shipped over to Meyer Turku Shipyard to be installed on Carnival Celebration. It'll be located near the Gateway, a travel-themed neighborhood on Deck 6. Carnival Ecstasy is set to leave the fleet this October, while Carnival Celebration joins this November. You can watch the entire video of the car being offloaded from the side of the ship on our website at cruiseradio.net. And finally, delayed for the 7th time. That's what's happening with the debut of Ritz-Carlton's new ship, Iverma. The line has once again been forced to push back the inaugural cruise, this time because of what it says is a prolonged metalworkers strike in Spain. The protests have impacted the ship's finishing process at the shipyard, so the inaugural sailing has been moved from August 6th to the 31st. Neither the cruise line nor this shipyard is involved in the strike, but violent protesters are repeatedly gathering at the shipyard's gates, making it difficult for the workers to access the facilities. The new inaugural sailing will still sail from Athens, Greece. And cruise line stocks were flat on Tuesday. Carnival Corporation 9.57, Royal Caribbean 37.03, and Norwegian 11.47. You can also look for Carnival's earnings statement dropping this Friday morning. Breaking news and industry coverage at cruiseradio.net. Back in Jacksonville, Florida, I'm Doug Parker with Cruise News Today. Have yourself a great Wednesday.
Cruise News Today is a production of Cruise Radio. For daily updates, subscribe to the Cruise Radio YouTube channel or visit cruiseradio.net.